Hey there, nature lovers. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating, yet misunderstood creatures in the animal kingdom, the cane toad. You might be thinking, cane toads? Aren't they just ugly, invasive pests? Well, yes and no. While it's true that cane toads have a reputation for being invasive and harmful to native ecosystems, they are also incredibly interesting creatures with some truly unique characteristics. So, let's dive in and explore some crazy facts about these fascinating amphibians. First, let's talk about where cane toads come from. These toads are native to Central and South America, and were introduced to other parts of the world, including Australia, as a means of controlling pest populations. Yes, you heard that right. Cane toads were originally brought in as a form of biological pest control. But, as we'll see later, this plan didn't exactly work out as intended. One of the most well-known facts about cane toads is their toxic skin secretions. These secretions are produced by glands in the toad's skin, and they contain a powerful toxin called bufotoxin. This toxin is so strong that it can kill animals that try to eat the toad. In fact, some species of snakes and birds have been known to die after ingesting a cane toad. Yikes! But, the toxin isn't the only defense mechanism that cane toads have. They also have the ability to inflate themselves as a defense mechanism. When threatened, a cane toad can puff itself up to twice its normal size by swallowing air. This makes it harder for predators to swallow the toad, and it also makes the toad look bigger and more intimidating. Talk about a party trick! So, with all these defense mechanisms, it's no wonder that cane toads have been able to thrive in environments where other species might struggle. In fact, cane toads have become invasive species in many parts of the world, including Australia. They have no natural predators, and they breed quickly, producing thousands of eggs at a time. This has led to a significant decline in native species populations, as the cane toads compete for food and habitat. But, despite their reputation as invasive pests, cane toads are also incredibly interesting creatures. Did you know that they have a unique reproductive system? Unlike most other frogs and toads, cane toads don't have a tadpole stage. Instead, their eggs hatch into tiny, fully formed toads that look just like their parents. This means that cane toads can breed and reproduce quickly, which has contributed to their rapid spread in invasive populations. Another fascinating fact about cane toads is their diverse diet. While they do feed on insects and other small invertebrates, they also have a surprising appetite for plant matter. In fact, some studies have shown that cane toads will eat just about any plant material they can find, including leaves, stems, and even poisonous plants. This diverse diet has helped cane toads thrive in a wide range of environments. Finally, let's talk about some of the lesser-known adaptations that make cane toads such fascinating creatures. For example, did you know that cane toads have a specialized skin that helps them to regulate their body temperature? They can absorb heat from their surroundings, which allows them to survive in hot environments where other species might struggle. They also have incredibly long tongues, which they use to catch prey. In fact, a cane toad's tongue is so long that it can extend up to half the length of its body. In conclusion, while cane toads might not be the most beloved creatures in the animal kingdom, they are certainly fascinating. Their unique characteristics, adaptations, and ability to thrive in a wide range of environments make them a truly remarkable species. So, the next time you encounter a cane toad, take a moment to appreciate its strange beauty and the incredible survival strategies that have allowed it to thrive. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll figure out a way to harness the power of their toxic skin secretions for good. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with us. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We always love hearing from you, so please leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below.